Firsty eSIM review. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Looking for a free eSIM for travel? Firsty eSIM claims to offer basic connectivity at no cost. I check out real Reddit reviews. Let's see if it's worth it. A Reddit user shared their experience. Someone comment on the Reddit is, I tried multiple eSIM apps while traveling and found this hidden gem. The eSIM itself is free and you can use basic data without entering payment details. But there's a catch. The free version has low speeds, but it's usable. You can pay for a faster data. Some users also notice connection issues. The only downside is occasional spotty reception. So it's not perfect, but if you need basic connectivity for free, it might be worth trying. Let's proceed again to the pricing and referral program. First, the eSIM also offers a referral program. The same Reddit user mentioned, there's a referral system where you can get free high-speed data. Seems like a great deal. So if you refer friends, you might get extra data without paying. Great option for free basic connectivity. But no, slow speeds and occasional connection issues. If you need an emergency data upload for free, First Day eSIM is worth a try. But if you want a fast and reliable service, you may need to upgrade or consider other options. Have you tried First Day eSIM? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews. And that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.